Hello everyone, is your T-Mobile 5G home internet stuck on the loading screen? In this video, I'll walk you through quick fixes to get it back online. To fix T-Mobile 5G home internet stuck on the loading screen, first check that the power adapter is securely connected and supplying the recommended 12-volt or 1.2 ampere to the gateway. Next, unplug the gateway for at least 60 seconds and restart it. If the issue persists, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. If none of these steps work, contact T-Mobile support for further assistance. Why T-Mobile 5G home internet stuck on loading screen? A recent or incomplete firmware update can cause the gateway to freeze on the loading or powering up screen. Using a faulty or incompatible power adapter or not supplying the recommended voltage, typically 12 volt per 1.2 ampere, can prevent the device from booting properly. Internal hardware problems or a failing gateway may lead to persistent loading screen issues. Sometimes connected Ethernet cable or other peripherals can interfere with the boot process, especially after a restart or firmware update. Fix 1. Power supply check. Ensure the power adapter is firmly plugged into the correct bottom port or the gateway and into a working wall outlet. Verify that the power cable is undamaged and, if possible, try a different compatible outlet or power adapter. The recommended voltage for most T-Mobile 5G home internet gateways, such as the Arcadine KVD21, is 12 volt per 1.2 ampere. Using an adapter that does not meet these specifications can prevent the device from powering on or cause it to get stuck on the loading screen. Fix to restart the gateway. It is generally safe to restart your device if it is stuck at 0% or has not progressed for several hours. Unplug the power cord, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary glitches and may allow the update to restart or complete. Fix 3. Disconnect Ethernet cables. If you are use wired connections, unplug or Ethernet cables before restarting. After the gateway fully boots up, reconnect the cables. Some users report this helps restore normal operation. If the device is unable to handle the load, removing Ethernet cable will fix the error. Fix power factory reset if restart fails. Locate the reset button, usually a small pinhole. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the device LCD screen reaches 0 and press O for OK button. Wait for the device to reboot and check the connections again. This can clear out any stuck processes and force the gateway to reinitialize and possibly re-download the firmware. Fix 5. Contact T-Mobile support. If the gateway remains stuck after these steps, contact T-Mobile support for further troubleshooting or a possible device replacement. Use the app's chat feature or T-Mobile customer support at 1-800-937-8997. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.